The course navigation link Syllabus provides a convenient location to keep your course syllabus viewable and even downloadable to students enrolled in your course. When you click on the syllabus link, you'll notice a course summary at the bottom of the page. The course summary provides a list of published assignments and due dates. On the right side, users will see a calendar with due dates highlighted. Unpublished assignments are only visible to the instructor of the course. If a course has a weighted grade scheme, the weighted percentages will display for the students under the calendar. The Canvas course summary feature has proven to be confusing for both faculty and students. Because of this, TELS recommends disabling the course summary. To do this, go to Syllabus, Edit, and uncheck the Show Course Summary feature, and update syllabus. We do recommend either copying and pasting your syllabus or uploading it directly into the rich content editor. Click on Edit in the upper right corner, place your cursor within the rich content editor, and either paste your syllabus into the editor window or upload a new file. Make sure to give your link a proper name. Uploading syllabus this way will allow students to view and download a copy.